Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can close a flagged email transaction in Outlook. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your browser and just like that in the search bar, simply search for outlook.live.com. Once you search for it, simply sign in to your correct email account where the flagged transaction is located. After that, simply go to your inbox and then this will display all of your incoming emails. Now locate the flagged email you want to close and then simply tap on the three dot next to it. And just like that, locate the flagged email you want to close. You can simply scroll through your inbox or use the search bar to find it. Now flagged emails are marked with a small flag icon next to them. Once you find the email, right-click directly on the flag icon and then a menu will appear with certain options. From that option, simply click on Clear Flag. This will remove the flag from the email and officially close the transaction. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly close any flagged email transaction in Outlook. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.